Hi everyone, today I wanna explain you, Cat Little help me, how pass vehicle inspection. I have huge truck, F350, I need pass inspection. I find a place, it's Minneapolis or St. Paul, at south side. Just typing on the Google state of Minnesota vehicle inspection, or just salvage title, something like this, you find like that place. It's kind of tricky finding this place. If be on the road is big, looks like here, and here a couple companies on this side. You needed exactly parking like this area, have line near road. If you don't have any appointments, you need just choose it last vehicle, and just looking on the garage door, have two garage door exactly like here. Other it's different companies, some electrical stuff, I don't remember electrical company, and just looking if some guy just wave your hand, hey come on, and you just coming to inspection. Usually it stay like 3 vehicles on the line. Just ask who enter the line and come inside. You just need to open any door on the car. Just say what the inspector just tell you, and you need supposed to be have a paper job. What you needed? You needed this is form PS 2015A. Just refill. It's kind of 5 pages, really easy. It's explain everything what you needed. If you just, it's really easy. In my case, I just it's only first page and it's supposed to be write some. I just write what the parts I will change it. It's number, factory part, what I change. To be honestly, I changed hood, but I'm lost at totally receipt. I just don't say nothing about this, and inspector will be so cool. He not ask me nothing about my hood. It's good, but it's anyway 20 years old vehicle, and doesn't matter. And your sign. Next form it's PS. I not remember exactly. PS 2000A. Just whole information about your vehicle. It's possible write from your hand or just on computer. Use it, but my computer is super slow. I take my nerves, don't know. I just write from my hand. It's just all information from your vehicle, and here from your ID, and you need get title, and you need have a receipt. If you don't have title, don't worry, it's just you're supposed to have copy and a receipt. Everything what you change it have receipts. And later, if you just everything okay, inspector say you cool, he give you a letter like that. It's only one letter. It's have all information, blah blah blah, what he check it, and he just say it's okay, you know, kind of, and information just about vehicle. Really easy peasy. And with this letter and this receipts and this is title and this form and this form, and it's supposed to be go to DMV. That's it, guys. Hope its information be helpful. I just been without appointment, maybe 45 minutes on the line. That's pretty fast. I super happy if I pass this inspection. It's Christmas time on the soon, and it's amazing. Thank you everyone. Maybe it's information help for someone, and good luck, guys.